Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Zora USDT trading pair with my customer Ser. What's going on now? Let's dive in, guys. I hope you watched the first video after Zora after listing on the next day. I posted the video, all zones markets. We landed to the first zone of interest. How to work with these zones, why it works. I highly recommend you go and check the free educational video, so you will save a lot of money, save a lot of nerves, save a lot of time, because this cycle pretty simple. The market makers use absolutely one single strategy for all fresh, brand new tokens, especially if the token with airdrop. So we got a 2 FIPS. I drove on a BitGet, kind of little bit different entries. So here, the zone on the BitGet is kind of here, 0.2075 and 0.2097. This is the one thing, and other one is 0.2079 and 0.1 cent, round number. So basically, let's work with Bybit. Right, anyway, a little bit kind of different targets, but it's okay. You have to know this is the first zone of interest. This is the second level of first zone of interest. This is the best zone to buy. If this stock can drop and invalidate the idea, that target for fixation profit will be still relevant. If this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges and not delisted. So just in case, if you took a risk here, even from the first level to buy, you could fix 45%. If you catch the knife, 65. Congrats with that trade. It was a logical entry. So on this channel, we talk about a logic, right? Not only to the moon and all of this random stuff. If we hold the line now at 1 cent, yes, the road still the same. Can be here to the top, this one. Now it's too early to talk about a potential new all-time high and all of this stuff, guys. BTC dominance so high. So now we work with, after initiation, we work with the accumulation zone. We can trade here, I don't know, year, 2. It's hard to say. Maybe in a few months, So anyway, I think if this token is not a pure scam, because in the current moment we can't know, we can work with the zones, so fix the profit. For example, if you took a risk at this next level, it can be potential profit 393. What I'm not recommend you, it's for example, if we drop it here, you buying, so you spend some amount of money, what you can afford to lose, for example, on the spot, right? Because a crypto space is so high risky financial market. If the token invalidate the idea, I'm not recommended to use DCA in the next steps, because we can't know where the token will stop. It's just open field, right? And you can just waste the stables. So we can move like this one. So what's the point? Better save the stablecoins and choose another token. Maybe cover the losses if you're not sure about a Zora. I'm skip the Zora. I have zero interest in this one. A huge difference between the market cap, FDV, a drop, zero interest, absolutely zero. So if you want to trade zones of interest, I showed you even in this video. That's why here, this was accumulation pump, 45%. Here's a distribution. On the 12 time frame, it's a distribution. Daily, we're just in the middle. So honestly, it would be good to see the warrancy on a daily, something like this one, 3 waves down, something like this one on the chart, and reversal. So this is what I wish to see for this token, of course. If we talk about a good swing trade position, right? If we talk about investment, you can accumulate even now, of course. Direction, we didn't touch the bottom. So too early for accumulation. Market mood still in a zone on the daily. Guys, I highly recommend you use this indicator set, so you'll save a lot of time and nerves while you track the tokens. Money power, no money inflow, nothing. No money outflow, of course, but on the daily. On the 12 time frame, here was a money inflow, pump 45%. Here's a money inflow, pump with the sales. Here, this was the RSI bullish, the warrancy pump. Now nothing. Now we're at the top without any money outflow on 12 time frame, but some money outflow was on 4 time frame. So you can use this set up to your strategy, up to your trading style and time frame, what you work with. So money power, I can close and trade on, guys. Once again, signal to buy, 4 hour time frame, buy, bounce, buy, sell, now sell, no new signal to buy. Guys, unfortunately, I think, yes, if BTC will drop to 102 and 100 around that levels, more than real to see the 0.2075, for example, this one, or even 0.2048. At this block, you can add alerts, you know, and sometimes better skip the token than just chase the every single dip, you know. 4 hour time frame, guys. Here, the buy line at this current moment is 0.2068 for the value. So it's a big difference between the value and the price. It's 0.2051. So just in case, guys, you can mark these levels and track all of them. You can even add alerts, for example, like take profit for the price on 4 hour time frame. So when we hit and if we hit the 4 hour time frame for the value, I get notification. So I recommend you, once again, go and watch the first video. If you watch it, congrats, you're now save like 130% your money, or even 200. Because of that, people who hop in here at 3 cents and wait to the moon, you know, they need to push the price higher 200% to recover back at the break even. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.